I know you've watched endless ads about credit stacking and now you don't know who's real and who's fake. What if I told you it was simpler than you think? Stack multiple high-limit business lines of credit, then leverage those relationships for even higher limits and more funding products. What if a credit stacking strategist gave you all their secrets and put them into a guide? Inside, you will learn how to position yourself and your business correctly, how to use those funds, access to resources, and YouTube videos from experts in different niches. This ebook is called The Credit Stacking Blueprint. Ready for the kicker? It's only $47. Click the link down below to get your copy. No more guesswork or endless searching. I just improved your success rate by offering you a roadmap to business credit. Imagine dedicating just 2 hours a day for the next 45 days and ending up with having a well-positioned business ready to secure over $100,000 in business lines of credit. Click the link down below to get your copy.